Nova. Every body panel has been damaged. We love that kind of body look. That's roadkill.
So when you wind up, taking that in for repairs, what do you say? What's the color? Primer?
Bentley Bad Brown. Stick around brown, they call it. Bad around brown.
Stick around brown? Wow.
That's what they call them in the dealers. They couldn't sell those root beer darts. They're called stick around browns. Now to find
1560 with the suits. And the Mustang goes 92 miles an hour at 1548.5 over the roadkill lane.
You're finally getting that old Rick.
Yeah, I'm finally, by the time the evening's over, I'll figure out. Now, you're closer now. Is that a Blard or is that an Aspen?
This, let's see.
Get a closer look at it.
Well, I know it's not what it says, a 408 Scat pack. I think it is an Aspen.
An Aspen? Okay, Dodge Aspen.
It kind of does look like an 8-body Duster. Just a little bit. I don't know what they were thinking on those vents on the rear window, though. It's set up the right way. He's going to get smoked by the Buick, though.
Whoa, look at this guy go.
Must have got him mad at him.
Holy cow, he was dead late off the light and winds up leaving the Buick in the dust. 114, I didn't see.